Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
General Secretary ka BJP Aran Singh ulaki Khluit abakran Shaphang ka jing sateng ka jing dawai ka inalan permit ha Meghalaya. Ulong bakimat ki badan kam ban Kren ki de Shaphang ki Pynroi bar ka Jingkiew Shaphang ka jilla. Habakili Shaphang ka ILP bar ka jing ang menteri ka BJP ba San Bor Shulai balada ka BJP kaya bon ngot ki MLA tangsan minit layo ILP. Using ulong baka BJP ka company jingmut ha ki Pynroi ha ka nong rem jo ka sap ka sat sap ka vikas or ap sap ka vishwas. Ulong baka ni kamat kade ka baki nang ilam ka jilla ki shem bat ka jillaru kalapa si ka sarkar pteng ya karai ha ka bayde baka ILP. Habakyar ban Kren Shaphang ka ILP using ulong baka seng ka kwa ban pai kamat si ki Pynroi bat ka jingdan kam ki pat ba kum ka yeng ka umbam umdi kisrok lentiral bat kat lingson ki babyang bat ka jula ka de ban kiu habun kilyang ulong ru ba kwa ban Kren ya kani namar ka de ka baki noilam ka BJP hajla kenra balada dan kam kin pen lang sha uru kumju.
My point is, my dear friends, let us discuss about the progress. Progress is top priority. What the people want. People want house, people want employment, people want drinking water, safe drinking water, they want health coverage. So that is the priority of the people. They want good road connectivity, rail connectivity, airport connectivity. We are concentrating on those issues. That is the most important, and I believe that, I request to the media friends also, let us concentrate on these issues. If some problem in these issues are there, definitely one should raise. Because this is the 11th century. In the 11th century, we have to see the one Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. Everyone should be happy, and their, basic standard of living and human life, that should be improved. That is our main aim for which we are working. Thank you. I think that is they have sent. I think that is they have sent to the center.
But what are your views, sir? At least your thoughts as a leader.
I am not in the government, boss.
No, but your
I am in
thoughts
the party.
as a leader.
True. I am in the party, the state party. They have already sent to the center. So, if you want to ask anything about the organization, about any activity, that I can tell you. Rest of something, the government to government will be replied.
No, but how will you go as an organization leader? How will you take it up this? Your BJP minister saying like encouraging people to eat beef, while your party.
I have already said.
says
I have
no.
already replied. Na? Why do you want that I should reply again and again? I have already replied.
No, please reply. Can you elaborate on it?
What elaborate?
No, on this.
This is not subject to be elaborated.